Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking a quick and simple breakfast on the Weber Q. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Don't forget, everything used in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so today's recipe, we're going to cook it on the Weber Q. You can do this on the Weber Genesis. You can even do it on the kettle. All you need is a low direct heat and a Q-ware pan or a skillet. You're going to be cooking a quick and simple breakfast. Now, if you like eggs and you like sausage, this is the perfect meal for you. Just going to up the scale a bit. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so for this quick, easy snack, you're going to need 4 simple ingredients. Now, we're going to use some frankfurters, some chopped chives, some mozzarella or parmesan cheese, and some eggs. And then you're also going to need a skillet with a lid or a Weber Q-ware pan. Right, so we get this Q lit and then we'll dive in and start preparing this quick and easy snack. Now, don't forget, everything used in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipes down there as well. So make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So as you can see, that was a really simple dish to do. You've got to just be a little bit careful with those tongs. If you've got some tweezers, you can use tweezers to keep that sausage open, and keep it open for around 30 seconds just to let that egg set on the bottom. Again, you're going to need a low heat, and we did that for around 10 minutes for that semi-soft egg. If you want it soft, it's around 9 minutes with that lid on and with that Weber on low. Should sit around 150 degrees Celsius. I'll put on screen what that is in Fahrenheit. Just a little bit of a twist to put on those eggs so they're not as boring in the morning. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. We're just going to up the scale with just a nice take and a nice twist on those eggs so they're not as boring. So just a nice take and a nice twist to put it. It's